Hi, my name is Chase Mann, and I'm a CIS major at South Plains College, and I chose a dream house in Colorado Springs because I like the mountains and I like skiing, and there's a lot better job opportunities there than there are here. So the house I chose is $3.3 million. It's got 5 beds, 8 baths, and it's about 9,333 square feet. Here's what it looks like from the front. It's got a terrace. It's got stairs leading up to it. Here's a side view of it. There's the garage. Here's what the front of the house looks like. It's got a fire pit, it looks like, at the bottom there. Here's the living room. There's the entrance again. More shots of the living room. Here's an office that they have. This is the outside area. There's kind of a walk under. This is the kitchen, I think. Yeah. So this is an extension of that room we just saw. Here's the outside. There's a grill outside, and there's a fireplace right there too. Here's a view off the terrace. Marble tables. There's another fireplace. Shots of the kitchen. There's an elevator. And I think this is the master bedroom. Here's a shot of the master bedroom. Their bathroom. The shower. Here's what I assume is a closet. Here's one of the other bedrooms. Some amenities. It's got a huge pool room, is what it said, with a pool table in the middle. It's got a wine cellar, and then a sauna. Another shower. It's got a theater, and that's it. It's got a massive pool room, home theater, separate living room for lower level guest suite, a card room, a huge wine floor, outdoor covered kitchen, a 81 by 15 grand entry foyer, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I have the Excel spreadsheet open that gives me the house price and then each price depending on the down payment that I make, and runs it out to the mortgage per month. So 10-year fix with a 50% down payment is $5,354, and then I also researched what the property tax is in Colorado Springs, and found an approximate for the insurance, so spending about $1.5K a month on property tax, and then another $150 for insurance. And yeah, that's it.